When it comes to toxicity in food, it's important to note that the term toxic can have different meanings and interpretations. Some foods can be harmful or toxic if consumed in large quantities or prepared improperly, while others may have natural toxins that are rendered harmless through cooking or processing. With that in mind, here are 10 examples of potentially toxic foods. Number 1. The mushrooms. Some wild mushrooms can be highly toxic and lead to severe illness or even death if consumed. It's important to be cautious and knowledgeable about mushroom identification before consuming them. Number 2. Fugu, pufferfish. Considered a delicacy in Japan, certain parts of the pufferfish contain a potent neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin, which can be fatal if not prepared properly. Number 3. Ackee, a fruit native to West Africa and popular in Jamaican cuisine. Unripe or improperly prepared ackee fruit can contain a toxin called hypoglycin A, which may cause Jamaican vomiting sickness and can be fatal. Number 4. Cassava. Cassava roots contain naturally occurring cyanide compounds. Improper preparation and inadequate cooking of cassava can lead to cyanide poisoning. Number 5. Elderberries. Raw or unripe elderberries contain a toxic compound called lectin. Cooking the berries renders the lectin harmless, but consuming them raw can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Number 6. Rhubarb leaves. While the stalks of rhubarb are commonly used in cooking, the leaves contain high levels of oxalic acid, which can be toxic if ingested in large quantities. Number 7. Bitter almonds. Bitter almonds contain a compound called amygdalin, which can release cyanide when metabolized. Sweet almonds, commonly consumed, do not pose the same risk. Number 8. Raw kidney beans. Raw kidney beans contain a lectin called phytohemagglutinin, which is toxic. Proper cooking is necessary to deactivate the toxin. Number 9. Sanakchi, live octopus. This Korean dish consists of live octopus tentacles. Ingesting the still active tentacles can pose a choking hazard or may cause injury if the suckers attach to the throat. Number 10. Nutmeg. While nutmeg is safe to consume in small amounts as a spice, consuming large quantities can cause symptoms like hallucinations, nausea, and dizziness due to its myristicin content. It's important to note that proper preparation and cooking methods can often mitigate the risks associated with these foods. If you have concerns about any specific food or ingredient, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a knowledgeable authority on food safety in your area.